Hi guys, this is Sadek from Driving.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of smart lock feature missing from your Android 14 phone. So up until Android 13, you have the smart lock feature using which they had three features. So if your phone is with you, or if it's in a trusted location, or if it's linked with a trusted device such as a smartwatch or your PC, then your phone will remain unlocked. There is no need to manually unlock it. However, beginning with Android 14, this feature is nowhere to be found. So let me show you. Currently I am running the Android 14 build, as you could see from here. And now if I try to make a search for the smart lock feature, so let me do so and show you. So currently there is no such feature such as smart lock. As you could see, there is no feature by the name of smart lock in Android 14. So has this feature been removed? Well, this feature is not removed. Instead, it has just undergone a rename. Now, why is that a case? It's beyond any reasoning, but it's just that the name of the feature has not been changed, and that is the major reason why we are not able to find this feature. So with that said, let me show you now. The new name of this feature is Extend Unlock. So instead of Smart Lock, you will now have to search for Extend Unlock, and then you will be able to access this feature. So let me show you. The steps for that is you could either go to the settings menu and search for Extend Unlock, or let me show you the manual steps. So for that, you have to go to settings menu, then go to security and privacy, then scroll to the bottom and tap on more security and privacy. And from here, you should now see Extend Unlock. Go there, type in your PIN, and once that is done, you should now see all the three features, and you could now enable or disable this feature as per your convenience. You could now access all these three features, as you could see from here. So guys, with this, the issue should be fixed. However, in rare cases, if you are already seeing Extend Unlock, or if the Extend Unlock feature is still not there on your Android 14 phone, then let's move ahead with the next step. So next up, you will now have to delete the cache of the settings app. So let me show you how that could be done. So for that, you have to go to the settings apps, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now scroll to the settings app from here, or you could also manually search it as well. Then from the settings app, go here, then go to storage and cache and tap on clear cache, and with this the cache will be removed. After that, do a restart and you should then see the Extend Unlock feature. If you are still not seeing that feature, then move ahead with the next fix. So the third fix requires you to delete the data of the settings app. So again, go to the settings menu, then go to apps, see all apps, then go to the settings app from here, go to his storage and cache section, and this time tap on clear storage, then hit the delete button, and it will remove all the data of the settings menu. Once that is done, restart your phone once, and with this you should then see the Extend Unlock app. However, if you are still not seeing that, then your last course of action is to delete the data of Google Play service. So let me show you how to do that as well. So from the settings apps, all apps section, just go to Google Play services, go to storage and cache, then you have to tap on clear storage and now tap on clear all data and then hit the delete button. Once that is done, restart your phone, and with this you will then get the Extend Unlock feature on your phone. So guys, these were the 4 methods that should help you fix the issue. In most cases, you should simply search for the Extend Unlock feature and the feature will be there on your settings menu. So guys, on that note, we round off this video. If you still have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.